Hello VR, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show how to install SAGA GIS in upper version of QGIS. See, this is called plugin and go to manage and install plugin, and here you can see SAGA GIS. This is posting SAGA GIS NextGen provider. You can see here they clearly mention since QGIS 3.30 SAGA tools are not included in the standard QGIS installation. So in order to use the SAGA GIS tool in QGIS, you need to install the plugin first, then manually install SAGA 9.20 or later. So how you can install SAGA GIS in QGIS plugin? So I'll show you in very short tutorial. See, already I have this SAGA GIS. See this one, SAGA NextGen. So already I have this. So how you can access the SAGA GIS, I'll show you. See, this is all a SAGA GIS. So we can use it in QGIS interface. Now see here, this is my latest version 3.44. This is latest version, but still I am using SAGA GIS. So for this purpose, I'll share one link, this one, GitHub. So from this GitHub, you can download SAGA GIS, right? So I'll share with you direct code, then you can directly download QGIS SAGA NextGen provider. I'm not prepared this tool. I'll just guide you how you can install it in your system. So in the description section, I'll share the link. Then you can directly download it. Okay. So this is my another laptop. See here. Here also QGIS about. This is also 3.449. But if you see the plugin, manage and plugin, and if you search here, SAGA, see SAGA GIS is not available. So what should we do? We have to download. Already I'll share this link how you can download it. See here my download in zip file. So after downloading, you can do, I close, there are two profiles, so I should close one. Right, then go to plugin, manage and install plugin. Now I will install from zip file. So you have to click there, install from zip, then click on this three dot, then browse here, browse your SAGA GIS, posting SAGA NextGen 1.1.0, open it and just install it. Don't worry about this warning. So within few seconds it will be installed. See, plugin installed successfully. Now if we search here, plugin manage and install, now see posting SAGA GIS is installed successfully. Okay, you can now process anything using the SAGA GIS. Suppose if you want to use the sync tool, now you can find under this SAGA NextGen, you can find the sync tool on and low. Thank you for watching this tutorial.